In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, play the video that appears blurry. Tap anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the video player. Select Quality. If the video quality is set to auto or a low resolution such as 240p or 360p, change it to 1080p or the highest quality available. Wait a few seconds for the video to reload in the selected quality. If your internet connection is stable, the video should now appear much clearer. If the video is still blurry, pause it for a few moments to allow it to buffer, then continue playing. That's it. This is how you can fix blurry videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!